Mostly, yes. Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, thank you very much. It is your boy once again, Matthew, aka Matthew 08 from Zambia, and the temperature is -3. Of course, I'm not alone. I'm with the person who is hiding herself. Yes, and in today's video I just want to show you how to use the public transport here in Russia in 2024. So let's go and enjoy this video. Right now we are at the bus station here waiting for the bus, and the temperature is plus, I don't know what is with plus, it is minus. I'm thinking that I'm in Africa. It is -3, and you can see there is light snow, quite snowing. And in this video I'm just going to show you how to use public transport here in Moscow. There are different public transport. There is metro, there is bus, there is taxi, but in this video I'm just going to focus on the bus, how you're supposed to use a bus, because here we don't use cash. And of course I'm with my friend,
hello,
the famous Kezia from,
how are you guys?
From Mozambique. She's multi-talented. Why do I say so? Because in Mozambique she was studying in Portuguese, in Russia she was studying in Russian, and now she's studying in English. Yes, so she's quite multi-talented. And is this our bus coming? Yes, so
I can sing in the toilet, in the shower, not in public. What else can I do? I can dance, but in my room.
see? And our bus is here. I will show you how we make payments, and of course it is quite crowded, yeah, because this is the rush hour. It is almost lunch time. You can move. Yep. And there it is showing the next station. You are in the view, and this is the thing where you're supposed to use to make the payment. I will show you how we make the payment. Crazy, crazy. Where is the social card? Yeah, just show me. So this is the card that you can use if you want to make payment. This is the cheapest. It is the social card that they give, yeah, and it is quite easy. You can see the face of someone. And outside there is snow. Mostly I use you can use Visa card. You can even see here that is showing there is Visa, there is Myth. This is just within Russia, but if you got Visa within Russia you can use it. Outside Russia you can't. And that is the screen there which shows you where you're going. And there, that is the exit. If you want to exit, you just press this button. It will open, because sometimes you find that there are less people on the bus, so you just need to open this thing. And outside it is snowing.
Большая Очаковская улица, дом 2.
So those are, and inside
Следующая остановка метро Аминьевская.
And inside there are cameras. They observe everything that is happening, just like that. Let me also take a seat and show you the card that you can use. So you can use Visa card. I have a lot of cards in my bag. This is Mir from the university, and this is another one, and this is the famous Troika. So if you come to Russia, just make this for maybe 1 week, for 2 days, for 3 days. Is how you just want it to be, and you can make different payments. So basically this is how we just public transport, and just look at the buildings. Everything is quite interesting, and I love this because here you don't need to use cash. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you are a returning viewer. Thank you very much. Let's see. And this is our final station because we are connecting to the metro station, and the buses are quite clean. Wow. And the kid there. So here mostly this is how we use the public transport, and the next transport that I'm taking you to is the metro. Metro it's one of the fastest. I keep saying that in my videos. Like if you want to get late, just use the taxi, because there is congestion every day here in Moscow. Did I pay? I did not. Showing the direction where you're supposed to go, and this is the underground. So which public transport do you prefer to use? Bus, metro, taxi?
Which what?
Which public transport do you prefer to use?
If I was rich, I would use taxi, but I'm poor, so I prefer metro. You know, I would use taxi. Actually, I would buy my own car. Why am I thinking of that?
Me, I prefer using a metro because it's fast.
Well,
You economize on time.
I actually prefer metro here, but fortunately, we live a bit far from the metro, so I have to take us.
Do you think taxi will be faster than the metro?
What?
Do you think taxi is going to be faster than the metro?
No, I don't think like that. But depends where you're going.
Yeah, so that is it. Me personally, I just prefer to use metro. Yes, if I had the chance to buy a car, I can buy, but I'll be using it so probably rare, because it is, you know, quite inconveniencing, especially if you get stuck in traffic. Where is my Troika? I show you now how to make payments with another mode of public transport here in Russia. Where is this? Yes, this is the card that we usually use. I'll just tap it there and it will open. So these are the gates. So what should I do? I just do this. Then it opens and it is showing that there are only 8 days remaining before it expires. So I paid for a month, which is about 2,000.
I paid 3 months.
For me, I paid for a month, which is about 2,000.
1.5.
2,700 somewhere there. So there are mainly 3 modes of transport. Metro, yeah, that you can be just using on daily basis, and you've just come at the right time.
Do you know how to
Huh? I don't know if I recorded you, I did not, but I'm filming, and this is the metro. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. What do you have to say?
Следующая станция Мичуринский проспект. Для вашей безопасности